How do prospective teachers think about numbers when entering our content courses? A brief explanation based on my publication in the Journal for Research in Mathematics Education, 2009. A typical explanation. First, I take 5 from 7, that leaves me with 2. Then I can't take 3 from 2, so I take 1 from the 5 and move it over. Now I take 3 from 12, which leaves me 9, and then 4 minus 1 is 3. When asked what the regroup 1 represented, most prospective teachers struggled to explain the regrouping. To explain the regrouping, they would need to see 527 as 500 plus 20 plus 7. They would need to be able to regroup 100 from the 500 to the 20, leaving them with 400 plus 120 plus 7. Now to explain why we can subtract the 12 minus 3 in the tens column, they would also need to see the 100 as 10 tens or the 120 as 12 tens, so they can do 12 tens minus 3 tens is 4 tens. Thus, to solidly understand regrouping, one needs to be able to see the digits in the number representing their value both in terms of groups of 1 as well as in terms of their reference units, and be able to flexibly go back and forth. This means one needs to understand that 110 equals 10 ones, 100 equals 10 tens, and 1000 equals 10 hundreds, and so forth. So to explain this regrouping, we need to break the 500 into 400 plus 100, or we need to break the 500s into 400s and 100, and then the 100 into 10 tens. If 2 of 15 pre-service teachers drew on the groups of ones conception and 3 on the reference units conception. 3 pre-service teachers saw the 527 as a 5 next to a 2 next to a 7, and thus regrouped a 1 from the 5 over by the 2, but could not explain the 12 or the 120. In summary, 3 prospective teachers held a reference units conception and 2 a groups of ones. These conceptions allow for an explanation of regrouping. 3 held a concatenated digits conception, which is limited, and 7 a concatenated digits plus conception, which is a mix of a limited and an unlimited conception. I have replicated these findings over several studies and published that in JRME in 2018. Overall, about 20% come in with an unlimited conception, and about 80% hold a limited conception.